Now, a chilling case of caste-driven honor killing in Tamil Nadu that's shocked us. A 25-year-old Dalit techie in Tamil Nadu in Chennai, Kevin Selva Ganesan, was brutally hacked to death in Tirunelveli's KTC Nagar, allegedly for being in a relationship with a woman from an upper caste. Disturbing is that the accused, who's a 22-year-old Surjit Saravanan, basically happens to be the son of two serving police officers in Tamil Nadu. The parents, who are assistant sub-inspectors, have now been named as co-accused in this case. The police believe that the killing was premeditated and the role of the officer parents is under scanner. Kevin and Surjit's sister knew each other since school, we hear, and over time they fell in love. And in fact, Kevin was asked to stay away from the girl. Surjit, who's the brother, insisted that he let go, but since he didn't and he was adamant, he decided to kill him. Now, Surjit has surrendered. He faces serious charges, but this is really shocking in a state like Tamil Nadu, where you have a government which prides itself on Dravidian ideals of social justice, equality, and no room for caste system. Here in Tamil Nadu, a case like this coming to light is certainly shocking. Civil rights groups now accusing authorities of shielding the accused because he happens to be the police's son. We're hoping the DMK government acts swiftly.